Ever wondered how soap transforms grime into gleaming cleanliness? The secret lies in its chemistry. Soap molecules are amphiphilic, possessing both hydrophilic and hydrophobic ends. When you lather up, these molecules surround dirt and oil, with hydrophobic tails clinging to grease, while hydrophilic heads reach out to water. This dual action creates micelles, encapsulating dirt and making it water-soluble. Rinsing then whisks away these micelles, leaving surfaces spotless. But soap's magic extends beyond cleaning. It disrupts bacterial membranes, aiding in hygiene. From ancient concoctions to modern marvels, the chemistry of soap remains a testament to nature's ingenuity and human innovation. So, next time you wash, remember the science at play.